Hello students, welcome to our final week of class. It's hard to believe it's already here. So I want to create a video for you to go over what we will be doing for our final week 7.5, which begins on Friday today, and the course ends on Monday by the end of the day at midnight. So just make sure that you have all of your work completed by then. So I've opened up the week 7.5 folder, and this week we'll be covering development and inheritance. Please make sure that you work through your RISE 360 presentation of our final lecture and download and save your document. Make sure that you get into your week 7.5 discussion as early in this week as possible, since it's just a shortened week. You don't have to reply to 3 other students, and you don't have to be active in discussion over 3 different days. It is simply one initial post based on these prompts, and you'll be talking about all of the 11 body systems and discussing which ones you found to be most interesting in maintaining homeostasis, and share why you chose that body system as your favorite. So any length post is graded as 100% this week, just like in the very first week of the course. So make sure you go in there and post your initial discussion post as soon as possible. And you can certainly respond to other students and wish everybody well and so forth if you want. And for this week, you will be submitting that final portfolio project that you've been working on weeks 2 through 7, including each of those sections in each week. And this week, you will finally be submitting that final project. And you will be doing that through this core assessment, okay? And in that, you will be adding one of your course outcomes to that final portfolio project. Now, I want you to please make sure you look at this where it says portfolio project final submission upload directions, and there is a document here that will walk you through and give you screenshots for how to upload that. And there is also a core portfolio simulation, a short video, if you want to look at that, if that helps. So make sure you get that final project submitted and incorporate any feedback that I've suggested into any of your weeks. And then for your final assignment for this week, you will be doing a portfolio project reflection, and you will find the directions for that in that portfolio project directions packet. And once again, if you need that, it is down at the bottom under course assessments, and this is your portfolio project directions and rubrics. And that is it for the week. If you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I will be happy to answer those. All right, take care.